After a fatal accident on I-15 near Sunburst, Montana, revealed the hazards of alkali whiteout, the BLM joined the effort to find a solution.
Well, this project started roughly about 5 years ago due to a tragic fatality on the interstate here.
I'm Deb Brandon. I'm the Toole County Commission Chair. I actually live in Sunburst. And so this alkali situation is near and dear to my heart. A horrific accident occurred in which we lost a fellow teacher as well as injured many students from the salt blown on the alkali.
At that time, local town of Sunburst, the commissioners of Toole County, a local school group, and the BLM decided to get together and try to figure out a way to reduce the visibility problems.
The width and the area of the alkali flat is very difficult, and if we can change the airflow going through that big alkali flat, it may save a life, and so that effort is worth it 100%.
While the salts are a naturally occurring component of the soils in this area, BLM is trying to be a good neighbor and help out where we can.
BLM then moved forward and did an environmental assessment on the project and recommended that one of the best strategies was to place straw bales on the alkali as a temporary fix, hoping that maybe vegetation would start to grow.
There's roughly about 144 bales. The bale placement's actually just acting like a natural wind barrier. We're hoping that it will reduce those salts blowing into the air. This site is very muddy in the summer. It's also contaminated due to the local refinery that used to be here, and so we did it in the wintertime while everything was frozen and we wouldn't have to deal with any soil contamination. It's been a group effort. BLM did some of the bale placement and the purchasing of the materials. A local rancher, Don McAlpine, was a big help in helping us unload bales and place some of the bales. The commissioners in Toole County, the town of Sunburst, Chevron helped us out. This is really just the first step in a long-term project, and it's kind of an experiment to see if we can get some positive results. And if this works, we're hoping to be able to place more bales on the flat and maybe do some vegetation treatments in the future.
I believe that it's a step forward in the right direction.
Hopefully this will be the start of a long-term solution to the visibility issues here.
We appreciate the efforts of BLM and all that they're doing to work toward a solution to this problem.
The BLM strives to serve the American family by being a good neighbor in our communities.